Hello and welcome to day 6 of December Doodles with Catherine. Today we're going to be drawing bobble hats. Bobble hats are super easy to draw and style. We need to start by lightly drawing a circle. Then we're going to draw a line approximately across the middle of the circle. This one's a bit lower than the centre. This will be the bottom of our bobble hat. Now we're going to make the folded band at the bottom of the hat by adding another line across the circle parallel to the first, like this. Now we need to join up these long lines at each side to make a rectangle. There we go. Time for a bobble. Draw a small circle on the top like this. See how it overlaps a bit? That's good. It will make it look more realistic. Now draw over the top curve of your hat, but remember to miss out the bit where the bobble is. Excellent! Now, a lot of bobble hats have a rib effect, kind of like stripes around the folded band like this. You don't have to have them, it's your choice. If you want the rib effect, just draw lots of little lines along the band like this. There we go. Now let's make our bobble more bobbly. Starting in the middle-ish of your bobble circle, draw a line to just outside the edge of your little circle. You're going to draw lots of these little lines, always starting at the centre and leading to just outside the edge of the circle, like this. Ta-da! You've drawn a bobble hat. Who will you put it on? I hope you've enjoyed creating those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on. In December Doodles! Bye for now.